All right, guys. Today we're doing cattle rotation for our heifers, and a lot to do this week. We have to do sand in the stalls. We had to do stick pony. Sand in the stalls, tag calves, move super huts, kick out pens, clean pens, haul poop, just because it's supposed to be in the 30s the next couple days. So, oh man, it's gonna be a busy one. All right, let's see if this truck starts now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, old truck. Will she start? It sounded like she was gonna go.
You still got it, right, truck? Come on.
You just gotta talk to it. Same with the tractors if you're about to get stuck.
Here we go.
Yeah!
Yep, talk to it. It works.
If you talk to it, works every time.
Any piece of equipment they're struggling with, give it a little pep talk. Tell it it's doing a good job. Remind it, thank it for its work. Boom, it'll work for you.
Exactly.
90% of the time.
90%. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, we got 10 here to move. We put a wire panel across here because last time the last 3 did ring around the rosy on us, and it took like 10 minutes to load 3 cows. So we're gonna load these 10, and then we're gonna sort some more from the calf barn and bring over here. Hey! Come on, hey! Come on, hey, let's go! Hey! 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 Hey!
Oh, hey.
Come on, get on the trailer. Get on the trailer.
Hey.
Hey.
Uh-oh, circle back on it.
Hey.
Now.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey.
we're not giving up hope yet.
Oh, no.
Hey.
Hey. Don't do it.
Throw something. What do you got? Yeah.
Hey.
Good throw.
Hey. Hey.
Get him open.
Come on.
We're gonna
Come on, get on here.
Come on. Hey, get on there. Get on there, man.
Stand there.
Stick throw.
Save the day. Did you guys see that?
Oh.
That stick throw was immaculate. Oh yeah,
Never in doubt.
old truck getting her done. See, this is why you talk to it, for when it does good things like this.
Fish. That's what they do in
Prison.
prison. How did I know that?
You've never been to prison, movies.
I got that from Shawshank Redemption.
All right, come on, let's go. The bull's gonna like you, girls. Hey.
Hey.
All right, guys. 10 on there, 10 going down there. Now the calf barn ones. Don't know how many we're getting in there. All right, well, that's done. Wasn't too shabby.
Out of breath?
Yeah. All right, guys, old truck.
Starting without a tire spin. Start spinning.
Oh gosh, going backwards.
Come on here, folks. Reverse is not dry.
Oh, get her going! Woo! Old truck getting it done.
Just glad you didn't get hurt on that frozen turkey.
Holy!
You got a deer-like creature.
Come on, girls. And one steer, I think.
Fish.
Come on now. Hey, hey, hey,
All the way to the
hey,
front now.
hey, hey, hey.
Hey,
Don't turn around. Come on, let's go, let's go.
Don't look it back, I
Come
like.
on now. Hey, hey.
Up.
All right, one more. Come on, guys. Come on, get up there. All right, so we got 14 of the younger, smaller calves to move over to where we just moved 10 from. So we got a load of like 7 right now. I'll have 7 next time. So that's what we do.
Hi, welcome to Louisburg.
All right, back to their new home now. Where we just moved out 10 of these. Income, new ones. Come on, let's go. Come on, wind it.
Oh, guys, that's the ceiling guy, ain't it?
Yeah, it is, ceiling guy. You guys are not understanding none of this. There we go.
That's why I wish I could be Dr. Doolittle and understand what's really going on.
Dr. Doolittle.
I don't think a whole lot.
All right, B. Say this.
We'll use the trailer maybe as a beaver.
Little bull here. We don't want him breeding. His man part has started to come out, which means we got to get him out of there. Practicing his javelin throws over there in case we got to chuck something so he don't turn that way. And yeah, we're gonna put him at the dry cow so we can't breed him. Here we go. We're running him because we don't want to put him on the trailer. That's a waste of time. Okay, let's do this. Winslow Brave. Yeah. Can I compete with the backup champion? It's hard to do this one-handed with no power steering. So no power steering. Ah!
That's good, it'll reach the gate. That's impressive, folks.
My arm hurts. All right, last trailer load of the day. They're probably gonna be too scared to come off.
Probably, I got the chain on. Okay.
Come on, hey. Oh, welcome in their new friends. Come on. All right, send that sucker. Okay, we're kicking these guys out of here. Gotta go outside.
They're really, really, really scared.
Come on.
Change is scary. The change is scary.
Oh man. Oh man.
Yeah.
Happy feet.
Yeah. Just again.
Give 'em a
folks,
nice
here,
little
that's
poke.
A nice little thing right
There we go. Look at that.
So
Yeah.
you don't have to be too wild or mean. It's just a little stronger than me now. I'll admit it.
Okay, the Winslow muscle here.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna need a skid loader for this one, guys. I got a broken back. Need a bacchiotomy.
Winslow muscle ain't
Mike
getting
Tyson.
it done today.
Nah, unless we could unhook this and then pull that back. Here.
I don't think so.
Winslow. Winslow. Right on.
The Winslow muscle powers ain't working today for some reason.
Chain pull-ups.
For chain pull-ups, but not today for
Use
that.
this as tool like caveman. No, I just wanted to say that because of the rock thing.
The rock thing.
Rock.
Bobcat muscle! Okay. Here, get it right here. Oh gosh, I almost fell. Oh yeah, precision.
Hammer nails with this thing.
Hammer nails.
I got it.
Okay. Okay, got it. open enough for now. One's trying to come in while they're all going out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Being a bully.
Okay, little guy.
Doesn't like the new guys.
And that's it.
Voila. Gotta stop saying voila on videos.
Yeah, we say well a lot. All right, guys. So this is a little calf that we moved in the last video. Looking good, huh? Had a couple girls since then, and boys down yonder.
I'm a boy, by the way.
Yeah, so that's her. Looking good, healthy. All right, so pretty much the whole spreader's all cleaned out because it's so warm now. But this back piece hasn't fell yet, so we're gonna try to make it go. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it one arm. I don't think so. Oh, it's gonna go. Holy cow. That's frozo. Probably should have left it because now it's not going to spread out. Alright, well that's what it looks like. Spreader's all cleaned out. We'll see if this falls out or if it starts to actually break up. We'll see. That piece is breaking up a little bit at least. Hopefully we can just get it all out of there.